Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best foods for camping in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is NUUN Sport Hydration Tablets. A few years ago, I started to have an issue with leg muscle cramping, not while backpacking, but later at night while I was laying in my hammock or snuggled in my sleeping bag in my tent, my hamstrings would start to cramp. While not the worst pain, it did suck to have to get up and stretch and massage the cramp out. One day while in the checkout line at REI, I came across NUUN hydration tabs and decided to give them a try. The difference was remarkable. Not only did I feel better hydrated while on the move, but I never had another leg cramp. Now, each day before setting out, I drop a NUUN tab into my 1L Nalgene bottles. They turn my water into a low-sugar, somewhat effervescent sports drink that had all the electrolytes my body needed for the day. The Sport Hydration tabs come in 9 flavors to include caffeinated options, and NUUN also sells tabs designed for boosting your immunity and also your energy. NUUN Sport Hydration tabs have transformed my post-hike experience and eliminated muscle cramping, reduced fatigue, and assisted in recovery. Number 2. Our second best pick is Mountain House Beef Stroganoff with Noodles. Mountain House Beef Stroganoff with Noodles is a great end-of-day meal, especially on a cold day. It's lightweight, cooks faster than most, tastes great, and the cook-in-the-bag functionality makes cleanup a snap. Like good to go, Mountain House also has a good selection of lightweight dehydrated meals, and their selections tend to cater to carnivores. Beef stroganoff always reminds me of being a kid sitting at my parents' kitchen table, and while Mountain House's version isn't mom's, it's pretty damn good for a backcountry meal. In addition to the flavor, I appreciate that this meal is also a few ounces lighter than many of its competitors and also cooks in the bag in half the time of most other products. I also dig that I don't have to dirty, and later clean, a pot to make this meal. Just open the Ziploc, add boiling water, wait 10 minutes, and eat. Cleanup is a snap. Just push the air out of the bag, zip it closed, roll it up, and pack it out with your other trash. This meal is also free of artificial flavors and colors. Number 3. Our third best pick is the Peanut Shop of Williamsburg Hot Habanero Nuts. Between sweet and savory trail snacks, I'm a savory dude all the way, and when that's combined with some heat, it's on. The Peanut Shop of Williamsburg has been a long-time favorite of my family. They produce some big, high-quality peanuts, and the hot habanero nuts are a classic. There's just something wonderful about having your mouth on fire as you were sitting on a mountaintop wondering why you just ate so many of them. If you like heat, try them. The Williamsburg hot habanero nuts are not insanely hot like Ghost chilies. You'll be fine. Of course, if you have a peanut allergy, avoid them. If you are into sweet, their honey roasted peanuts are the bomb. In fact, their hot wasabi peanuts are awesome too, and their chili lime. There are loads of versions, so everyone who likes peanuts should be able to find one that suits their tastes. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Hickory Farms Smoked Cheddar Blend. I'm a big fan of taking shelf-stable cheese along on backpacking trips. It's super calorie-dense and doesn't need to be refrigerated, and Hickory Farms does a pretty good job of providing a cheese that doesn't taste like a lot of preservatives. The smoked cheddar is my favorite and I usually eat things like this at lunch with some dried sausage or beef jerky. They come in 10-ounce packets. They're supposed to be refrigerated after opening, so I pack this during cooler weather or share with friends. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Maruchan Ramen Noodles. While Maruchan Ramen Noodles are my go-to meal, they are affordable and you get a mug of hot brothy noodles for a few bucks. They'll also take a lot of abuse in a backpack and still cook up right. Since they're so light, I usually throw a pack or two in my backpack as backup food should we need an extra meal or two. And now that I think about it, I have enjoyed these piping hot noodles when backpacking in the winter. Also, you can doctor them up to improve the taste and increase the calorie count. They also have a cool backstory about a young Japanese dude named Kazuo Mori who had a dream of creating a convenient and affordable noodle product for people all over the world. Did I also mention they're cheap? Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.